Hi traders, welcome to Daily Forex Analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Today it's going to be very busy and volatile trading day because we are expecting a bigger economic data for almost all major pairs, especially for US dollar. We are expecting NFP today. Let's have a look at economic calendar. The day will start with retail sales for Australian dollar. The forecast is we can expect bigger volatility at that time. Then later on for euro we have German manufacturing PMI. Important news for euro. At 9:30 GMT we have construction PMI for GBP. Then at 12:30 GMT the most important economic data release event NFP will be there. Though the forecast is positive, but in the current week we saw that many major news events were negative for US dollar, so I'm expecting a mixed kind of result. If it comes out positive for US dollar, we can expect a bigger rally in all US pairs. Otherwise it can drop, or it can either make spikes up and down. So just get ready for any result and do trade with care. At the same time, we will also have employment change for Canadian dollar. The forecast is weaker and we can expect a USD-CAD pair can go higher. So I wish you best of luck for NFP and all other events. Let's move to dollar index. Today most of the major currencies were stronger against US dollar. That's why we saw a bigger drop in dollar index. Especially GBP and gold outperformed. GBPUSD was up because of some Brexit news headlines. Technically it's supposed to further drop to 95.85 and much below, but because we are expecting NFP tomorrow, so it can bounce back anytime. If NFP is positive, then we can see a bigger rally to 97.20. Otherwise it's supposed to drop to 95.50 and below. Let's have a look at Euro USD. This morning we saw all major pairs were stronger against US dollar. Euro dollar bounced back strongly and currently it's at 1.1409. For tomorrow I'm targeting a 1.1477 initially. If NFP is positive, then it can drop to 1.1301 and below. Otherwise it can continue upward movement and it can even touch 1.15 and above. Let's see how GBPUSD is doing. GBPUSD was the best performing pair yesterday. It bounced back from a 1.2766 and rallied all the way to 1.3034. Currently it's at 1.2997 minimum. For tomorrow I'm expecting minimum it can go to 1.3091. In case of negative NFP, it's heading to 1.3200 and above. On the other hand, it can also go for a smaller correction, or it can simply start dropping down again to 1.280 level. Let's move to USD-CAD. USD-CAD pair looked good in this week. It rallied to 1.3180, but this morning it started dropping down. It dropped to 1.3068. For tomorrow I'm expecting it can drop to 1.2969 and below. NFP can have a big impact on USD-CAD pair, but at the same time we are also expecting Canadian data. There is possibility that in the beginning it can drop to 1.2969 and from there it can bounce back again and may rally to 1.31 area. Let's have a look at gold. Yesterday we saw a strong rally in gold. It touched 1237.50. It has closed in a strong bullish engulfing candle. For tomorrow I'm expecting it can touch 1244 and above. While if NFP is negative, then it can aim for much higher target. I am personally bullish on gold. Only NFP can have impact on gold, otherwise it's supposed to go all the way from here. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. In the last 3 days most of the stocks have bounced back. Nasdaq 100 did well. It bounced back to 70.57 area. For tomorrow I'm targeting 71.46 and above. I'm expecting it can close above 7200 level. So guys, I wish you all the best. Trade with care. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.